Still paying for 4 to 5 different tools every month? That's easily $300 to $400 gone. Let's fix that. Here are the top 5 all-in-one platforms in 2026. EzyCourse, best for creators. GoHighLevel, best for agencies. Kartra, best for marketers. HubSpot, best for startups. System.io, best for beginners. EzyCourse, our top pick for creators. You get courses, coaching, community, email marketing, and a website builder all in one place. Big advantage? Your own branded mobile app. Starts at $55 a month yearly. No free plan, but there is a free trial. Best for creators and coaches. GoHighLevel, perfect for agencies. You can white label it and sell it as your own software. Includes CRM, funnels, email, and SMS. Starts at $97 a month. SMS and email cost extra. Best for agency owners. Kartra, strong automation and tracking. Tracks user behavior and follows up automatically. Also includes built-in video hosting. Starts at $52 a month. Best for marketers. HubSpot, great for startups and sales teams. Connects marketing and sales in one system. Has a free plan, but advanced features get expensive. Best for growing startups. System.io, completely free to start. Includes funnels, courses, and email marketing. Limited design, but great for beginners. Best for budget users. So here's the quick version. Beginner, System.io. Agency, GoHighLevel. Marketing, Kartra. Startup, HubSpot. Creators, EzyCourse. So, what is your go-to platform? Comment down.